The S1550 with the rotary separator is a major breakthrough in combine design and function. It embodies the findings of an exhaustive 5-year program aimed at improving operating efficiency and output, but without a comparable increase in size and weight. A gut feature for consideration by any farmer with a transport and soil compaction problem. In line with the advanced design philosophies of New Holland, the office is designed round the man, not the other way round. Long hours of harvesting without bone-shaking weariness. S1550 operators can check their returns on the go without getting up from their comfortable seat. Real value for owner and operator. And so it's fingertip control all the way to the bank. Now, what have New Holland done to bump up the output? Well, they've shortened the straw walkers and relegated them to a discharge function. Designed and built in a revolutionary separator and located it right in front of the straw walkers. Immediately after the beater, to achieve separation at the most efficient point, close to the concave, bringing increased threshing, boosted throughput, and a dramatic reduction of dust pollution. New Holland balers need no introduction. In any roundup, they're worth their weight in beef. Here's Model 286, the heavy-duty baler for the large operator. 286 heads up a versatile range of tailored balers for every spread. Notably, the hungry one, the 276, the economy 274, all of them packed with every winning feature. After the bale was over, and these days with spreading acres, an automatic bale wagon can mechanize the final step, the shifting of hay from field to storage. Welcome then to the total automation of bale handling, the Model 1034 Stackliner. The 1034 can pick up, load, haul, stack, retrieve full loads, and unload one bale at a time. There are, of course, other models in the same concept, designed for individual needs and area conditions. Rounding up the range, the New Holland 903 speed rower cuts and conditions a 10-foot row, creating a healthy swath for following automatic operations. Gentle with grain and peas, a giant in hay or grass seed, the 903 speed rower guarantees smooth, reliable performance, along with the quality which has been engineered into every part. So then, New Holland conservation thinking, design power and engineering skill brings the right tools to the right people at the right time of the year for summer feed the winter through.